One of the most important features of Foliospaces is the ability to create a view or a presentation. First, log in. Once logged in, select My Portfolio. You'll see three tabs: My Views, My Files and My Blogs. My Views is selected by default. Click on Create a View and this window appears. You can set up the layout of your view, choosing between 1 and 5 columns wide. In this case, we'll select 2 columns. You can then choose how wide you want the columns. I'll select a larger column on the right. If you now look at these tabs along the top of the view, they all can be dragged in. For example, if I click on the General tab, that brings up a text box which allows you to add notes, headings, and even embed different elements into the view. Click on the left button of the mouse and drag the text box below this line and let it go. And give the text box a heading. And enter any content into the text box. And then click Save. To enter a photograph that you have previously uploaded to the My Files section, simply click on the Files, Images and Videos link. Left click on an image and drag it below the line. And the following box will appear. Enter a title, and select a previously uploaded image. You'll also need to enter a width. About 400 pixels tends to be a good size. Click Save. To include a video from a site like YouTube, left click on External Video, drag it down onto your view, let go, and then you'll need to find the video that you want on YouTube, right click, copy the URL, go back to your view, pop the URL in, and you'll see that you can adjust the width and the height of the video there if you want to. The default's 250 pixels, and click Save. And like magic, the video will appear in your view. One final thing I'll look at is how to insert an RSS feed into your view. If you go to a popular website like the ABC Australian news site, you'll see there's a link here called Podcasts and RSS. Click that and select a program that you would like to get the RSS feed from. Simply copy the address in the URL bar, select External Feeds, and drag the external feed box below the line. Enter a title, paste the feed location, Control V. Usually it's a good idea not to select this box, Show Feed Items in Full, because it'll make it a very long column. The alternative is that there'll be a summary of the feeds. Click Save. And you will see that the ABC Business News has been inserted into your view. You can move any of the elements in the view around at any time simply by grabbing them and moving them to where you want them. And that's an example of how to make a simple view. Click on Display My View, and this is what it's looked like. Please note that I've only been recording a small part of my screen to try and keep the file size small. There's now one last thing to do, and that's to make your view public. You go back to My Portfolio, select Edit View Access, and see then that you have a few access choices to choose from. If you think that your view is great and you'd like to share it, you can click the Allow Copying box, otherwise leave it unchecked. And then you have a choice of making your view public for anyone to see, only allowing logged in users to see your view, friends to see your view, or you can add a secret URL, in which case you would email that to the individual or individuals that you wanted to share your view. In our case, we'll click on Public. Don't enter any times if you just want it to be public until you change your mind. And click Save. I forgot to give our view a title, so we can just click on Edit View Details, enter a title, add a description if you want to, a tag, choose the name that you'd like associated with the view. That can be a nickname if you'd prefer, and click Done. Now, click on the blue highlighted label, and that will take you to your public view. If you copy that address and paste it into a new window, you'll see there's our public published view. I hope that's explained it okay, and I'll make another video showing some more advanced techniques a little later on. Thank you and bye.